Hey, welcome back everybody. 12:23 on your Tuesday afternoon, and it's pretty warm for most of South Texas. We're sitting at about 83 right now. Houston's at around 82, but there's some relief on the way in the panhandle of Texas, and it's in the form of a cold front. Now, these two low pressure systems are going to move this cold front through our area later on tonight, and it's going to be late tonight. So it's not going to be the sun goes down, the cold front comes through. It's going to be late tonight into tomorrow morning, but it's a fast moving front. And with that fast moving front, it's definitely going to cool us down, and we need it because our temperatures right now sitting in the upper 80s. It's not even the hottest part of the day yet. 86 in Rio Grande City, 85 in McAllen and Edinburgh, low 80s toward the coast. In Port Isabel, you won't move much from that 81 degrees that you're sitting at right now. But we have a heat index because we have so much humidity in the air. Our dew point right now is sitting at around 71 degrees, so a lot of moisture in the air. And it's feeling like 90 degrees in Rio Grande City and McAllen right now, 88 in Edinburgh. Now, these are the temperatures you really have to watch out for. These are the temperatures you have to dress for. These are the temperatures that if you work outside or if you're doing outside activities later, that you have to hydrate for, because it's already feeling like 86 in Raymondville and Harlingen, 88 in Brownsville. Now, it's another windy day. We won't have the absolutely ridiculous winds that we had yesterday, but we're getting pretty close. These are your sustained winds, 20-mile-per-hour wind speeds in McAllen, 22 in Raymondville and Harlingen, 24 in Brownsville and Port Isabel. So the closer to the coast that you get, the windier it's going to be, but we're not going to have that wind advisory like we saw yesterday because our wind gusts aren't going to be sitting in the 40s today. Your high-resolution satellite showing we have a lot of cloud cover, but they're low-level clouds. So sometimes the satellite doesn't pick up on those really low-level clouds. Now we're going to have mostly cloudy skies throughout the afternoon. We'll have a break in the clouds here and there, but we're not going to have the blue skies that we saw yesterday. Well, 84 is our average high for this time of year. Now remember this number. Remember the high of 90 today, and then check out Wednesday. Only a high of 70 degrees tomorrow. That's right. That's that cold front that comes through, cooling us down to 70, but that cold front stalls just to the south of us, moves up as a warm front, and heats us up to 82 on Thursday. Now, with that cold front comes some rain chances. Tuesday, 10 p.m., most of the activity stays to the north of us. Now, the real show doesn't start happening until 2 a.m. Scattered showers and storms. Now, notice how most of the valley is covered in green right now. This will be more widespread than what we saw last week, but we're not expecting any severe weather. By 9 a.m. on Wednesday, most of the storms have cleared out, but some lingering showers are possible into the afternoon. Highs only in the 70s, and then patchy clouds, and until Thursday, 2 a.m., those clouds start to come back. Now, here are your rain chances, and we need these rain chances because we had a really dry winter, and we're already off to a really dry spring. 60 today into tonight and tomorrow morning, 40% chance of rain tomorrow, and then a couple showers could linger around Thursday morning. On the water, your winds are out of the south-southeast at 15 to 25 knots. Your bay water is pretty choppy. There is a small craft advisory until 2 p.m., and the seas are at 3 to 5 feet. High of around 90 today, mostly cloudy, windy, but because of that heat index, it's going to feel like 95 with all that humidity in the air. Tonight, cool down to around 66. Isolated storms are possible, and that chance of storms and showers increases as the night goes on. Big cool down tomorrow, 20-degree cool down, high of only around 70, and then we heat right back up. The chance of showers comes back on Saturday, and then we continue with the heat up until the next cold front comes through. We're going to continue tracking that front for you, and that's your First Warn 5 forecast. We'll be back after this.